Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Cookmas 12. Apart from we're not cooking.
Yeah, we're not cooking.
We're actually sat at the table today and we're going to do a little taste test video because, to be honest, I was just shattered and got no energy really. It takes its toll on you to do a video every single day. And plus we've just not been long back from my sister's where we've had dinner and we're just really stuffed, so we decided to do a taste testing video.
Yeah, I mean, I bought these jars a while ago. They're not out of date, but
They was for a taste testing video and we just totally forgot them.
2023, but
Yeah.
we just never got round to opening them or using them for a video.
So here we go, these are from
I bought these a few
Aldi.
weeks ago.
This is salted caramel spread. Don't know if you can see that very good. My camera don't really focus because I kind of cracked the screen. Salted caramel. What else we got?
This is a white chocolate and vanilla.
Oh, white chocolate and vanilla.
And this is Belgium chocolate orange.
Ooh. And the other one. Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
Wake up.
Right there.
And we have After 8 chocolate orange fancies. Oh, After 8's normally a mint in the UK, but it's After 8 chocolate and orange.
Mr. Kipling. And the other ones are chocolate tarts.
Yep, and these are chocolate tarts that I picked up because I thought, might try them, probably can make them.
So, let's taste test these bad boys. We got toast here to try it on. Oh, yeah, toast. This isn't buttered. The other one is. We've just cut them into little fingers because we've just had like a massive roast dinner. Come Christmas Day, we won't actually want a roast dinner.
Yeah.
So we've got a knife each.
I've just realised I only cut 3 fingers. That teach me.
Don't actually smell.
Oh God, I licked my fingers.
And there you go. The dog's like, is there anything for me?
Oh, it's quite
Runny.
yeah, a runny consistency.
And it don't smell. It's a wheat caramel taste.
You can tell it's caramel.
Not overpowering though. Like, wow, that's caramel.
Sweet and it's quite runny. More like a sauce than a spread.
Even though it's meant to be a spread, I mean, it was a runny spread.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah. It's more of a runny spread.
What are you going for? I saved the chocolate orange till last.
Yeah.
Right, this is white chocolate and vanilla. Are they maybe?
I mean, it's okay. I won't rant and rave about it.
No. Got your niece?
Yeah.
Alright, we've got all new cutlery. Let's try a spoon. Give it a mix and see.
Yeah, my hands are sticky now.
Mm.
Nice. What's it smell like? You can eat that. It smells like white, doesn't it? So you can smell the vanilla. Let's try it. Got to slap it on there to be able to taste it.
I don't think I like that, Mum. It's...
That's weird.
That is weird. Obviously, if I find then I'm gonna either let the grandchildren try them or use them in a recipe was my plan. But I think that's the that's the weirdest one. It's sort of sweet, doesn't taste like a white chocolate.
Oof, that ain't nice.
And it isn't like overpowering of the I don't know.
Yeah, white chocolate and vanilla spread.
This is the
This
Belgium
one's okay.
Belgium orange
Chocolate
yeah,
let's
orange.
try that one. That one's got to be tasting better. We got the last knife.
Spoon?
No, I have it on toast. I don't really want to eat it straight out of the jar.
Well, this is a lot. Look.
Oh yeah, that's a lot thicker. That.
Like a spread. Without a doubt.
Let's try it on the toast.
Let's see.
Yeah, now that is what you call spread.
Yeah, it sits like a spread.
Yeah.
Lick my fingers, that's going to really upset people.
Oh well. Everyone licks their fingers, what they do.
Taste a bit grainy.
That one is definitely the better.
But, yeah.
One out of them all.
Yeah. Definitely.
Belgium chocolate orange spread. Oh yes, that one. This one's second, and the white one I won't even bother buying.
Not again.
Yeah, that I'd happily have that on toast every day.
Well, what do you want to try? Chocolate tart or the after?
Yeah, try it after 8.
Dinner. Well, it's after dinner. We go after 8 because after 8 is a min.
Don't jump.
After dinner, chocolate and orange fancies, or the chocolate. I think we should go plain.
Please
chocolate.
excuse me for 2 minutes. I'm just going to get a drink quickly.
Hello.
Oh, we have a visitor. He's going to nick my chair.
Who thought a packet would be so hard to get open?
A nice glass of water.
Right.
Come on, bud. I need to sit there. Sorry, boy.
These look like this.
Look at this for a cat. Look at the size of him. Stand there.
A little like pie things. They are. It just says chocolate orange tart.
Yeah. Wow. It's even got.
It's chocolate with a toe in a.
I don't know if my phone's going to focus, but
fondant.
oh, you can see that. The dark. Pardon me. The dark patches. They're actually sprinkles. Oh. Eating all this after a big dinner, I'm just like, ugh. Yum. Let's taste it. What's weird? It's like a chocolatey and then like icing chocolate on the top.
Yeah, it's sticky. It's not
Weird. Well, that's chocolatey. I'm just eating a quarter of it. That's quite filling. Quite thickly.
It's like more like a moussey thing than.
Yeah. That
I thought it was going to be a sponge.
we just ate half of that between us. There's still half left.
It doesn't.
It's
It's a pastry case with a layered of chocolate, a flavoured mousse, yeah, topped with a chocolate fondant.
quite sickly.
I left better, Mum.
Yeah.
You want to try one of these?
Who don't? Everyone loves a French fancy.
Well, yeah. Well, I don't know. My grandchildren love. Used to, anyway. The flavoured ones, the multicoloured ones, especially the pink ones.
Yeah.
Pink or yellow are their favourites.
So, this is the actual last Vlogmas. Look at that. Let's see what it's like inside. Oh. Yeah, so this is the last Vlogmas, or cookmas should I say. We hope you enjoyed them. We have. Today we've just literally completely knackered, so that is why we are, look at that. That's why we're just literally just taste testing. Plus I can't be bothered to sit on the computer for hours and do all the editing.
But this is just so, yeah, we hope you are all well, you're all keeping safe, and you have a wonderful Christmas.
Oh, that smells quite strong.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste very
No.
strong, but
The oranges though. That is better than the tart.
even though it's sticking to my fingers.
They could be quite dangerous.
Do you want to try another one?
I could happily eat the rest of them, yeah. But we're not, because I'm quite full. And I don't want to be over full where you end up being, you know.
Eat them
Yeah.
later.
So, like my mum said, hope you've enjoyed it, the cooking videos of Christmas.
Apple?
No. Hope you all have a good Christmas. We might do like a video here and there. Not obviously a
I had
cookmas.
some ideas
Not a
of
cookmas
things
video.
that I wanted to do, and ideas pop in my head. I don't normally get a chance to try them out. But I generally haven't had time.
I think as well is the last week that the run up to Christmas.
Yep.
Because the kids finish on Friday. And we still got, obviously after this week, we still got my little nephew on the Monday, the following week. And then after that, it's literally got 4 or 5 days or so.
Yeah.
Just trying to get stuff ready for Christmas. And so yeah, so we'll try our best to probably upload a video. I'll let you know if we do upload one on Facebook.
Because we haven't actually done any.
Not really cooking recipes this year. I mean, the start of this Vlogmas, Cookmas was quite... We done like 3 videos in one day.
Yeah.
To like try and catch up. That took us, and now as it's got on, it's just like, oh, what do you upload? And but yeah, it's been fun. Pardon me. We managed to get them in on time.
Yes.
The picture, that is actually a picture. And you can't really see it with the light on.
I can't turn the light off.
Yeah, turn it off quickly. They can have a look. You can actually see it.
What?
There you go. Yeah, actually, there's little waves on there that move. It's actually quite a good picture. But yeah.
Yeah, so we hope you're happy, you're safe, you have a wonderful holiday, Christmas, whatever you like to call it.
And I'm going to edit this video and fall asleep.
And we'll see you again. Bye for now. Thanks for subscribing and being with us.
Yep, give it a thumbs up. Turn the little bell notification on so you get notified whenever we upload a video. If you don't follow us on Facebook or you don't have Facebook. So yeah, hope you all enjoy Christmas, and like we say, if we don't see you this side, we'll see you in the new year. So, bye.